Hello guys, welcome to the Ad Isn't a Fat channel with me, the Adster. This bookmark has Star-Lord on one side and Iron Man on the other. Now, this bookmark can't be bent that easily and is much more durable than other bookmarks. It also does not spoil the binding of your book. Now, let me show you how to make these bookmarks. Today, make this Iron Spider logo on one side and then the Iron Man Mark 50 armor arc reactor on one side. They are basically symbols, as it's really easy to draw symbols. Then stick them together on cardboard and smoothen the edges. After you have done this, just pull out your usual roll of transparent tape and tape it up. After thoroughly taping this thing, just press it so that the cardboard becomes thin, and your bookmark that has the Iron Spider logo on one side and the Iron Man Mark 50 arc reactor on the other side is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and I just have another idea. What you can do is you can take an A4 sheet and then fold it like this, right? And then you can maybe draw something over here, then over here, so that even though bookmark has two sides, this one has a lot of sides, so you can draw whatever you like. I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 36. I mean, total 6 into 6, right? So you can draw something here, there's something here, and when you want, you can change it to your liking. Like, see, one side, another side, open this, fold it here, and you have an entirely different top view. Now, it's changed. I mean, you may think it's the same, but if you draw something, so basically the idea is you can just try to change the side of bookmark rather than having just any two sides to your liking. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I guess that's pretty much it. Thanks.